Hello everyone, my name is Matt. I'm a student ambassador, and I'm here to tell you why you need to schedule a tour at Sacramento State today. It is very easy to schedule a campus tour. All you got to go to is our campus tour webpage, and then from there you'll follow a link and you'll answer some questions such as what day, time works best for you, what major you're interested, or maybe how many guests are going to be with you. On the campus tour, we're going to go around the entire campus. We start at the very northmost point in our Welcome Center, go all the way down south to our well, and head all the way back up to our North Village Housing Co-op. To picture yourself here at Sac State, a good way to do that is obviously going to be taking a campus tour, where you're not only going to find out about different academics you're interested in, but you're going to find out about the good food places to eat here on campus. You're going to about the fun things we have here to offer for our students and the resources that are going to help you succeed. And remember, application for the fall semester is currently open, so be sure to apply and schedule your campus tour today to picture yourself here at Sac State.